Hello, hi there, hello again everyone, and welcome to another video. Hope this video finds you well. Well, today in this video we're going to be carrying on with our Arduino series and configuring it in C++. And we're going to be looking at automation. You might have seen it on TV, or you might even been in a factory, worked in a factory. But different processes, it comes along, stops, a process happens, or a task, and it moves on, stops. Automation, normally on conveyor belts. Okay, so boom, stops. Well, we're going to simulate that on the Arduino. And we're going to use a servo. All right, a servo to simulate a production line. The servo's got 3 pins. Let's go to the schematic. Oh, wrong one, that one, yeah, okay. Now, if you haven't got your kits, most of the kits come with a servo. I've got a link below to some founder. You can get all your kits, all your equipment, all your modules, all your boards from there. So just have a look. And it's really competitively priced. Okay, so here we've got our servo. We've got three jumper leads. All right, we'll start with the first one. We're going to be using a pin 8 for this simple little circuit. So we put the yellow in a pin 8. See that? We put the red to 5 volts. And we put the black to ground. All right. As I say, a simple little circuit. All right. A simple little circuit. Now, we are going to be doing the configuration, and I'm going to introduce you to something completely new. We haven't used it before on the Arduino and C++, but we're going to include a library. All right, a lot of components, modules, have their own libraries. All right, and within them libraries, they have commands. All right, on values, etc. And the first one we're going to be using is, so it's hashtag. All right, include. All right, all one word, space. Then it's less than. All right, so it's not brackets or anything like that. It's less than. Capital S, servo dot H. Greater than. No semicolon. Okay, so that's going to include that variable is going to include the library servo.h. Right, our next attribute is going to be servo, and we're going to name it servo blue. I always like to put a capital B, bumpy text, semicolon. Right. Servo blue, semicolons. Capital S, yeah, SEO. Capital S, yeah, okay. Right, that's all the attributes we need. All right, all the attributes we need. We're now going to come to our setup, and it's servo blue. All right, dot attach. All right, and we've attached that pin 8. All right, come outside the brackets, semicolon. So what that's saying is we put servo blue and we've put it onto pin 8. The signal line is on pin 8. Now, It's quite simple. This is quite simple. Now what we need to do is a servo blue, right, dot right. Okay, servo blue dot right, brackets on. Position 1, okay, and the angles are in degrees. Position 1, we want to start at 0. Okay, semicolons. Then we want a delay, and we'll put a delay of 3 seconds, so it's 3000 milliseconds, semicolon. Position 2, servo blue. All right, brackets on. Servo blue, sorry, dot right, brackets on. Where's my brackets? There it is. And we'll put the first one at 90 degrees. Yeah. Come outside, semicolons, enter. And we'll put another delay in of 3000 milliseconds. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. Okay. And a couple of spaces. Then another servo blue. Yeah, and we'll put that at done 90, 180. All right, come outside the bracket, semicolon. We'll do another delay. Brackets on, 3000 milliseconds. Come outside, semicolons. And our final position, servo blue dot right, brackets on, and we'll make that 20 degrees. Oh, 29, 20 degrees. Come outside, semicolons, come down, and one final delay of 3000 milliseconds. Obviously you can put in whatever you want. I've just seen a little mistake, and it's dot right. All right, so that's our positions we want, and that will loop and loop and loop. So if you put this in a production line, it will loop and loop and loop and go back to the same position every time. All right, so let me just check that. Let me just check that quickly, because servo blue. Right, shall we verify it? Just verifying, checking our code. Checking our code. And the code looks all right. Let's upload it. Let's upload it to the Arduino. All right. Let's upload it to the Arduino. Uploading. Done uploading. Okay, let's go to overhead. And there you can see our positions. There we go. 180. 20. 90. 180. Sorry, 90. 180. 20. 0. 90. 180. There you go. There you go. Okay. So that's how. It's a simple version how they do a production line. Yeah, they automate things. Obviously, there's a more complicated because they've got big precise positions and stuff like that. But that's how you do it. That's how you do it. So we've simulated automation of a production line. Okay, and the first time we've included a library. Okay then, so thanks very much. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.